Coast.
Taking a look at more of the aftermath from the storm yesterday. This is Shaganappi Trail and Country Hills. Those cars heading towards the bottom of your screen are heading southbound, and again, more abandoned and spun out cars, both in the left and right lanes. Luckily, I was seeing the tow truck go around and check out these cars, so these should be clear pretty soon in the next couple of hours, but still a good spot to avoid. Don't go out if you don't have to, and especially on hills, there will be more cars, so just watch out for that. Stuck in car shopping gridlock, the new Kijiji Autos makes finding your next ride easier with advanced search filters, instant price analysis, dealer ratings, and reviews. Test drive Kijiji Autos today. Up in Global One, I'm Thea Uson.